Whenever we run our class, we run the method public static void main string square bracket args. I'll draw a stack frame to keep track of all of my local variables. And I wrote the name of the method main on the side. My first line says string s1 gets a new string hello. So the left-hand side, string s1, that creates a new variable named s1. The right-hand side, new string hello, that creates a new object that's the string and has the contents hello. Then that assignment statement, that equals sign, says S1 gets a reference to that newly created string. Okay, the next line is string S2 gets new string hello. So again, the variable S2 is a variable that can hold a reference to a string. The right-hand side says new string hello, so that creates a new object, and that string object contains the string hello. And then that assignment statement, that equals sign, that says S2 gets a reference to that newly created object. Okay, our next line says system.out.println S1 equal S2. What equal does is it says, hey, are these references identical? And they're not. They're different. They're referencing different objects or keeping track of different objects for us. So these are not identical references. So S1 equal S2, that will be false. The next line, system.out.println S1 dot equals S2. So what happens there is we follow S1 and we've got this object and we ask it to execute the equals method and we pass it a copy of this reference. And really what that's going to do is that's going to say, is S1 equivalent to S2? And it figures out what equivalent is by calling a method named equals. So to review, S1 equal S2, that's checking if the variables are equivalent. Are they referencing the same thing? And that dot equals method, that's seeing if they're equivalent. And that's basically with strings the one we always want to use. We always want to use that dot equals method. Because typically when we're calling equals, we're checking to see if they're equivalent strings. But there are lots of times when we're programming in Java where we're going to use that equal to see if they're equivalent references. And here they are not equivalent references because they point to different objects.